We can use the setitem operation to update a dictionary entry. For example, take a look at this program. In line 1, Python assigns the dictionary ES Estonia and MX Mexico to the locations variable. In line 2, Python updates the entry value at key ES to Spain in the locations dictionary. Let's more closely examine the setitem operation. Python first converts the statement locations at ES equals Spain to a setitem function call as follows. The expression to the left of the square brackets becomes the first call argument, and the expression inside the brackets becomes the second argument. Finally, the expression to the right of the equal sign becomes the third argument. Python then evaluates the setitem function call. As usual, Python first evaluates the function call arguments. Locations is Python reference 0. All arguments have been evaluated. Setitem is a built-in function, so LWPython executes it in one step instead of jumping to a function. The top element of the value stack is Spain, ES, and Python reference 0. The third element is the location of the dictionary. LWPython retrieves the element at index 0 of the object store, which is the dictionary ES Estonia and MX Mexico. The second element tells Python that the entry at key ES will be updated. Finally, the first element, Spain, is the new entry value at key ES. Notice the value stack now contains none. Since the objective of the setitem operation is to update the dictionary in the object store, the function output is not important. If at time t the expression stack contains an empty element followed by a setitem operation, and the value stack contains a value, key, and Python reference IDX, and the object store is OS, and the element at index IDX of stack OS is a Python dictionary with entries, and the result of storing value at key in map entries is new entries, then at time t plus 1, the empty element and the setitem operation are popped from the expression stack, Python pushes none into the value stack, and the object store is the result of storing new entries at index IDX of OS.